Hi, this is Extend Office. In a protected worksheet, some formulas may be hidden and will not appear in the formula bar when you select their cells. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to make these formulas visible again. In the worksheet that contains the hidden formulas, go to the Review tab. Click Unprotect Sheet. If the worksheet is password protected, enter the password and click OK. Once the protection is removed, the formulas become visible in the formula bar. To keep the formulas visible after you protect the worksheet again, select the formula cells. Press Ctrl and 1 to open the Format Cells dialog box. Go to the Protection tab. Clear the hidden checkbox, and click OK. Then return to the Review tab and protect the worksheet again. The selected formulas will remain visible even while the worksheet is protected. If you need to locate hidden formulas in a worksheet, Kutools for Excel provides a more visual way to find and unhide them. Go to the Kutools Plus tab and click Design View to enable the Design tab. Click Unprotect Sheet. If prompted, enter the worksheet password. Next, click Highlight Hidden. Kutools highlights all cells whose formulas are currently set to be hidden. Select the highlighted formula cells that you want to make visible. Then click Unhide Formulas. The hidden setting is removed from the selected cells without opening the Format Cells dialog box individually. Protect the worksheet again if needed. The formulas you unhid will remain visible in the formula bar when their cells are selected. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips. See you next time.